Cane. Proper starting position when using a cane. Walking with the cane. Hold the cane with the hand of the stronger side of the body. Handle of the cane is at the level of the greater trochanter. Hold the cane close to the body. Advance the cane at the same time of the affected leg is moved forward. Advance the unaffected leg. Going upstairs. Step first the good leg up onto the stairs. Then move the bad leg and the cane up onto the stairs. Going downstairs. Move the cane down onto the stairs with the bad leg. Then move the good leg down. Sitting down on a chair. Back up to the chair until you feel the chair with the back of your legs. Allow the cane to rest on the side of the chair. Place both hands on the chair's armrest. Place weight on the hands and bend strong leg. Sit down keeping weak leg extended. Getting up from a chair. Place the cane on the strong side keeping the weak leg extended. Lean forward out of the chair and push down on the cane's hand grips and chair's armrest. Put weight on strong leg and stand.